Once upon a time, in a barren village,
Well, that's what if our village is submerged and our village has never been flooded before. So this is the first of the late intensity of heavy rain in our village is frequent and long. 6 hours of rain can last a day while the country water supply is getting even smaller as a result of construction.
it is also true that there are now many houses that have been built in this village, and even on the river bank there are many buildings.
Well, that also one of the causes of flooding. The resident who build houses on the riverbank would narrow the river's flow.
That's right. Then what else is causing the flood?
The two floods were also due to the lack of drainage that served to flow water through many of the canals that had been blocked by the building wall that the water could not be channeled directly into the open field. It is true that the drainage line in our village have been blocked off a lot.
Then that else can.
The third flood could also be due to the absence of vegetation that would soak up the rainfall in the absence of green plants that will allow the rain to be partially absorbed by the ground, but when this soil would become saturated even when it would no longer have a backing up.
No wonder so many trees have been cut down.
Moreover, the four lands also contributed to the possibility of flooding. The subsoil with a silicon texture is a chance of flooding, while that hardness of the soil has a good chance of flooding because of the increased texture of the soil, causing both rain and river runoff difficult to seep into the soil.
So much for the flood.
Well, this last one is the most important.
What is it?
The last cause of the flood was littering.